Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Meta AI in WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you are on WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. First of all, you need to know that Meta AI is an optional service that uses artificial intelligence to generate responses to prompts, so you can use it to ask questions, get recommendations, and talk about interests. That's why Meta AI is currently only available in limited countries. So if you are in the region where it doesn't support Meta AI, it'll take some time for it to be available to you, so you might need to wait for it. In my region, it doesn't support Meta AI yet, but if you are in the region where it supports you, what you can do to enable it is, as you can see over here, you can open WhatsApp and go to the chat or group where you want to use Meta AI. After that, you can type @Meta AI followed by a question or prompt, and Meta AI will respond to your message. And another way to use it is go up to WhatsApp search bar. You can now type your question or prompts, and if Meta AI is available in your region, you will see a suggestion to ask Meta AI. So you can tap on the suggestion to ask Meta AI your questions. So that's it. So for now, it depends on your regions whether you are able to access Meta AI or not. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.